Okay, this is the last video of my user interface. This is part 4 of 4, and in this video I will cover the render panel right here. Next will be the timeline, the MEL command, and then some the display message right here, and some other menus that okay, so let's get started. Okay, next will be the render panel right here. So if I click on the layers and I choose create an new empty layer, okay, so here's my new empty layer. If I want to add this object to the layer, okay, I hold down right mouse over the name and choose add selected. Okay, now if I click on V for visibility, it's gone. Click it back in. Okay, if I click on this box right here, I template it. That means I can no longer select it. If I click again the T, now I can see it, but I still cannot select it. If I click one more time, and now I can select it. Okay. Another way would be to select the object and click this icon right here. That would be to add the selected object to that layer. So if I click on it, it's now on there. So if I enable V or turn off V, come back. Okay. So if I double click the name layer 1, and let's say I give a name sphere, and I choose it bright yellow and hit save. Now that becomes bright yellow. Okay, same thing with this one. I can double click on the name, say pick red, go cylinder or seal, hit save, and I make sure red selected, hit save. Now if I click, you don't see it until you click outside, it becomes red. Okay, that's the render layer. And then last will be now the timeline. Okay, here's the timeline, and you can either click on this square here and move it in to zoom in, or you can move out. Click right here, zoom out, which is the same as this number right here. Okay, you can type in, let's say 96. Okay, and this one, let's say I type in 1000. So now if I click and drag, I can see a whole 1000 frames. Okay, and this is to go back to the beginning, this button. This one is to play forward, stop, hit this one to play backward. You can press again to stop it, and this is to go to the next frame, one frame back. See, like here 136, I can go back to 135, 34, and this one's go back to one keyframe, but since I have nothing keyframe, so I can't go back. Okay, so this right here, you can type in some MEL command. MEL stands for Maya Embedded Language. You can type in some command, and down here is the display thing. So if I mouse over any of these icons, it will show up down here. Okay, and right here in this window, it show if you have any error, or if something done right. For example, if I go up here and hit the render button. Okay, well, not right now, it doesn't show, but sometimes it shows like that. But that's it. And then this icon here is the script editor. Open up. So now here you can type in all the MEL command or the Python command. Okay, you close it. And last will be the preferences. If you click on it, now here you can change all the user interface back to default by going up to edit and restore to default settings. And don't forget to hit save. Okay, that's about it. And yep, and I think that concludes it. So now let's review. Up here is the top menu. This whole bar is called the Maya status. Right here is called the Maya shelf, like that. In the next video, or the one after that, I will show you how to create your own icons. This is the status bar. This is the toolbar. This is the viewport. This is the channel box. This is the render panel. And down here is the timeline, the MEL command, and the display help, display whatever. And this one is right. It shows the tooltips with whatever you have selected. Okay. Thank you for watching.